Hello friends, welcome back to Fast Analytics. In this video, we will talk about VLOOKUP function, that how we can apply VLOOKUP from right to left. We used to apply VLOOKUP from left to right where we have the primary key on the leftmost side of the data, but in this video we will see that how we can apply the VLOOKUP if we have the primary key anywhere in the data. So let's get started. As you can see, uh, we have VLOOKUP function and choose function. So with the help of these two functions, we will use VLOOKUP from right to left. In VLOOKUP, we have four syntax. The first is lookup value. Second, we have table array. And then we have column index number. And in the end, we have range lookup, where we used to give false and true. And in choose, we have three syntax. First is index number. Second is value, and third one is value 2. We can go up to 255 values in the choose function. This is the data on which we will be applying this formula. So in data, we have serial number in column B, then we have first name in column C, then we have last name in column D, gender in column E, we have salary figures in column F, then we have incentives column G, it is a 10% of the salary, and then we have employee ID. So normally we should have some unique key at the leftmost side of the data to apply the VLOOKUP. But in this data set, you can see that we have this employee ID, which is the unique ID, and it is in the right side of the data. And this is how we are going to apply this. So in cell O5, I have applied this validation so that I can get all the employee IDs in this drop down. You can see in the drop down we have all the employee IDs, and basis on this drop down I am getting these figures like first name, last name, gender, salary and incentives, and this is linked to this data. So you can see that within this formula we have applied VLOOKUP, then we have applied choose, and it is giving me the value. If I'm changing this value from 177042 to 442, it is changing the value again in the cell and giving me all the figures against 442. So if I compare, this is the line. In this line, we have first name as John, last name as Sina, gender male, then we have salary and incentive. So you can see all the figures are matching with this table. So how we can apply the VLOOKUP from right to left using this employee ID. So in this cell case 6, I'll be writing a formula starting with VLOOKUP. I'll press tab to get this VLOOKUP. Then within this formula, the first syntax is lookup value. So my lookup value would be this cell J6, because I need to find out the value against J6, which is 302 as an employee ID. I'll put a comma here for moving to the next syntax. So in table array, I need to apply my second formula, which is choose. So I'll write as choose, press tab. Once I press tab, it will give me the first parenthesis, but within this parenthesis, my first syntax is index number. So I need to start with the curly brackets. I'll put the curly brackets here. I'll put 1 comma 2. I'll explain in a later part of the video that why I'm giving 1 comma 2. Just close this curly bracket here, comma. In value 1, I need to select where I can get my employee IDs or my lookup value. So in column H, I will get my employee ID. So I'll select this table. I'll select this column from the table, and to make it absolute, I will press F4, comma. In third syntax, which is value 2 of choose function, I need to select a column for the value which I need to find out. So I'm looking for first name, so I can get the first name in column C, So I'll select the column C, and to make it absolute, I will press F4. So I'm done with my choose function. Parenthesis close, comma 2, comma 0, and parenthesis close for VLOOKUP. Once I close this, I'll press enter. As soon as I press enter, it is giving me a result as Randy. So Randy is the first name against the employee ID of 302. If I match this value within this table, so you can see, so in this table, we have this line, serial number 2, employee ID is 302, and the first name is showing Randy. So we have successfully applied VLOOKUP function from right to left with the help of VLOOKUP and choose function. So I'll select this formula, drag it down. So it is giving me result for all the employee IDs corresponding to the first name. So you can match one by one. For employee ID 442, we have first name as John. For 3260, we have Sean. For 15869, we have Chris. Then for 30842, we have Rick. So that is how we can apply VLOOKUP function from right to left without moving our data from first column to another column or bringing primary key from the leftmost side of the data. I hope you like this video. That's all for today. If you are coming here first time, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notification for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.